This is an activist renaissance, it seems, that's going on right now. What do you make of it?
Yes, well, certainly with Elliott, they've been very active lately, and other activists that also have been in Starbucks. I think that, that the real activist, however, at Starbucks might have been Howard Schultz. I don't think Elliott has been in it long enough to really have their fingerprints on this move. I think there's no indication that Starboard really engaged with the company. Trian has been talking with Melody Hobson over the last several months, and their style of income statement activism certainly probably was talking about operational moves like this. But, I think this, at Starbucks at least, was Howard Schultz from the beginning.
What about Southwest Airlines right now? That's the next chapter right now developing. How much success could Elliott have on that front?
Well, you never underestimate Elliott. They have tons of resources. I think they should definitely get board seats there. I think they have the company's been severely underperforming. Elliott has a very good point that the board and management needs more external airline experience. And I don't think 10 out of 15 is in the cards for them. I don't think they'll get a majority, but they should get a handful of board seats. And if they do go to a special meeting for this, it's only because they know that other shareholders feel the way they do. They wouldn't be going into this with this alone or without knowledge that they have a good chance of winning something.
Oh, so this is the Southwest is the new development here. Ken, in your experience, are there places elsewhere, industry groups, sectors, companies in particular, that you think could be the next target for activist investors?
Well, even the markets are pretty much down outside a handful of stocks, and in situations like that, it's harder for bad management and bad management plans to hide, and it's easier to get support from other shareholders. So I would, any company out there that's underperforming its peers, that has been underperforming the markets, their benchmarks, should be on note. Activism has really gotten a huge tailwind with these markets, and I don't know if there's anybody that's underperforming that's really safe.